In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate your Cloudflare API token. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which details to pay attention to so your token is both usable and secure. An API token is a secure scoped credential that lets tools or services interact with your Cloudflare account without sharing your full login. It's safer than a global key because you control exactly what it can do. Start by opening your Cloudflare account. Head to the Cloudflare website and sign in. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click your profile avatar. From there, choose Profile Settings. This takes you to your account level controls, where security features live. In the left or top navigation, find and click API Tokens. This is where you create and manage tokens for different purposes. Click Create Token. You'll see template options, but for full control over what the token can do, go to the Custom Token section and click Get Started. Now you'll enter the necessary details. Begin with a clear token name. Pick something descriptive, so you'll recognize its purpose later, like the project or tool that will use it. Next, select the permissions. Permissions define what the token is allowed to do. Choose only what's needed. For example, if a tool only needs to read settings, select read-only permissions. If it needs to make changes, select the appropriate edit or write permissions. Keeping permissions minimal is a security best practice. After that, select the account resources. Decide whether the token should apply to your entire account or only specific resources such as a particular zone or site. Narrowing it to just what's necessary helps protect the rest of your account. Continue filling out any other fields the form requires based on your choices. The interface will guide you if certain combinations need more details. When everything looks good, click Continue to Summary. Take a moment to review the name, permissions, and resources. Confirm that the token's access matches the exact tasks you want to allow and nothing more. If you need to adjust anything, go back and refine those choices. When you're satisfied, click Create Token. Cloudflare will generate the token. Treat it like a password and keep it confidential. If you ever suspect it's been exposed, return to this same API Tokens page to rotate or revoke it and create a new one with the right scope. That's it. You've created a scoped Cloudflare API token with the exact access you intend, ready to use safely with your tools and workflows.